In this video, I'm going to withdraw $75 from GrabPoints, and you will see right on screen how fast it actually pays out. They claim instant payment, but is it really true? Let's find out together, and also I will break down both the pros and the cons and whether it's really worth your time. In case you don't know who I am, my name is Michael and I've tested hundreds of different free ways to make money online. And I have talked about GrabPoints before, but there have been quite a few updates since then. And one of the biggest claims in general on GrabPoints is that it pays out instantly. So in this updated review, I'll walk you through how it works, show you real-time payment, and give you the full overview and picture. I will show you both the pros and the cons so you know exactly what to expect and can find out if this is the right opportunity for you or not. But first, let's jump straight into the withdrawal. I've earned enough for a $75 payout and I'm going to cash out right now so you can see if the money really does arrive instantly as it claims. So I have now jumped into GrabPoints and to the reward section. I will show you that I will withdraw. You can see my earnings up here. What I do like is one of the updates is that before it just used to show the points, now it also shows the actual value in your local currency. That makes it a lot more user friendly. And it has also added a lot more reward options. You can see there's a lot of different gift cards. The exact gift cards will depend on your country. What I do like is that it is gift cards that are relevant for your country. So it's not that if you live in one country, you'll get Amazon gift cards for another or something like that. And I really do like that. But also what I do like is that it does offer PayPal and Visa, as you can see, and also even in some countries, bank transfer and Venmo. But for the purpose of this video here, I will choose to get paid via PayPal. Payout threshold, or how much you need to earn to get paid, that does vary depending on your reward, but it starts at around $3. So a very low payout threshold. And you can see here, this is the highest I can choose and I have enough for that. And this is actually equivalent of around $75. So I just need to click this here and then I need to click to redeem it. And then you just need to confirm. And then you can see here, congratulations, you qualify for instant payouts and you will receive your payments within 20 minutes. And in my experience, it is actually usually a lot faster than 20 minutes. So I will just pause this video here and then I will be back in just a bit once I have received the payment. And then after that, we can talk about exactly how you can actually earn and how long it takes me to earn this, how much you overall can expect to earn. So it took around 1 minute and then I got this email here, and this is from Tremendous. And several Get Paid to sites actually use this one as a payment processor when they pay via PayPal. So usually how that works is that you would then get an email and then you would need to click to actually redeem it and a new screen will open up and you just basically need to follow the instructions. It doesn't take long, and then you usually just need to click to redeem it again, and then you need to just confirm your PayPal email address. And I, of course, blurred that out for privacy reasons, but then all you need to do is to click to transfer. And then it says that the money is on its way, and usually that happens very quickly. So again, I will just pause the video and hopefully the money should then be back. Actually, it looks like the money just did arrive into my inbox now. I can just see I got a notification, so I'll just jump in there and we'll check it out. And it was the money that arrived, so you can see it basically happened instantly. The money did go into my account, and as mentioned, this is equivalent of around $75. So GrabPoints actually does pay instantly, a very super fast paying site, but is it worth it? Because how long does it take? How can you earn and all that? So let me now jump back into GrabPoints, show you how you can earn, and we'll also talk about the overall earning potential. So you also know how quickly can you actually reach something like the earnings that I have here, $75. So I'm now back inside GrabPoints, and the main way you can earn here is surveys, and this is one of the big changes because I used to have a lot of different paid offers like most Get Paid to site do, but for me at least, they have removed them. So I have tried to look into it, and in the FAQ section, they still describe paid offers. So I'm not sure if it's only in my country they removed them or if it's in general. But right now anyways, I only have paid surveys, which of course gives less earning opportunities. But I would love to hear from you. Are you using GrabPoints, or if you are starting to, please let me know your country below. And if you now only have paid service, or do you still also have paid offers? Because I would love to get an overview of that to see if it is only for me that they now only have the service. But anyways, they do have a lot of service. As you can see right now, as of recording this, I have 143 service. Of course, I would not qualify for all of them. That's how it is with all service sites. It can take some patience to find the ones you qualify for sometimes, but they do have also a way where you can sort it. So the fastest, the features, the highest paying, lowest paying, because sometimes the highest paying ones are also the ones that are hardest to qualify for. So sometimes that can take more patience, but in general, there are a lot of paid service. I would say they also overall pays a little bit above average compared to many other service sites. So that's definitely a great aspect. One thing I do not like is that something they have also changed compared to last time I talked about it is that now they have ads many different places. So when you click around, then sometimes have ads popping up, or you can see at the top of the screen they also have ads. And I think that's a shame for a server against paid to site when they have that, because it kind of ruins the user experience. And it's fine that they of course also need to make money, but they should also do that by, for example, have the service and all that. But it's a way for them to earn more, and they also make clear that it's ads. It's just not as user friendly, and something that not many get paid to site and service sites do, of the best ones anyway. So it's a shame, in my opinion, that I've started doing this, but still it's not done too much. The most annoying thing is sometimes when you click around that, it actually comes up and takes up the whole screen. But you know, if you can live with that, it definitely has a lot of service. Of course, how many services that are available, how much you get paid, does depend on the country you live in. It is available in more or less all countries, but the earning potential, of course, varies. We'll talk more about the earning potential in just a bit. Let's first talk about one other way where you can actually earn here. So GrabPoints also has a leaderboard, and you can click that little trophy and then you can see, and if you end up as one of the top earners, it's a weekly leaderboard, then you can see you would actually get a really nice price, $25.15 for the second. So some decent rewards, and they give a lot of rewards here to many top earners. So I do like that aspect. It's not one of the absolute highest paying leaderboards, but it's still some nice extra earnings if you end up as one of the top earners. And speaking of earning, let's now talk about the overall earning potential. So when it comes to how much and how fast you can earn on GrabPoints, I cannot give an exact answer, because I know a lot of people will say, how long did it take you to earn $75 to withdraw and all this? And the reality is, just as mentioned earlier also, how much you can earn depends a lot on the country. If you live in a country where there might still be paid offers available, then definitely there are more earning opportunities. And in some countries, there just also are many more service available. Personally, quite a lot of my earnings are also from referrals, because I've talked about GrabPoints before, and people that wanted to support my channel have joined through my invitation link. So that is also a way where you can boost your earnings. It's not one of the best referral programs, but it still can give you some extra earnings if you really like it and want to tell other people about it. So also, if you do want to join it and you're not yet a member, I will leave my invitation link below, so you're welcome to join through that. That will also support my channel, and I would definitely appreciate that. But the best way to actually get an idea about your earning potential is to also look at the leaderboard, because at the time recording this, we are around halfway through a week, and you can see the top earner here has earned almost $50, and the others here, for example, close to 40, 25, 22, 21, 20, and most of the top earners here, as you can see, are also from the US, because the US is definitely the country with the most earning opportunities here. But there are also people from other countries that are on the leaderboard here. So you can see that in a week, and again, we are not even halfway through here, it is possible in some countries to, for example, earn somewhere between $10 and $50 if you put in enough time and effort. But in some countries, it will be hard to even earn $1 a day or so. So it really does depend, of course, on the time and effort and the country you live in. But overall, I would say it has a decent earning potential compared to many other service sites. Overall, I would say GrabPoints is definitely a decent service site. There are a few things I don't really like. For example, that they've started having these ads showing up everywhere. But I do like that they have this instant payment. That is definitely the best feature of it, in my personal opinion. And it also has great payout options. So if you do want to join it. I will leave my link below, my invitation link, so you can join through that, and that will also support my channel. I would appreciate that. Or if you just like reading also, I will also leave a link to a full written GrabPoints review I have on my website. But if you don't think this is for you, or if you're interested in more and maybe even better fast paying service sites, then I also do have a list on my website of my favorite instant paying service sites. I will leave a link to that below also, so you can also check that out. But no matter what, I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.